Welcome, bienvenidos. Today we're going to be looking at another action drivers from Matchbox, and it is the construction side. We'll take a look at the box. Mattel does not waste an opportunity to highlight that they also have Hot Wheels, not only Matchbox. You have the back of the box that tells you about the different actions that these parts or sets can have, and all, of course, it's part of what they're calling Build Your Matchbox World. We have standard packaging from Matchbox. Back to the front of the box, it does include the Query King. It is new for 2022. Here at the bottom, you can see that there is a car activated barrier, there is a rotating crane, and there is a move the stop sign as part of this playset. And we will review all of that. We will be putting some Hot Wheels in there, and let's get started with that. The cars for today's video, this is all of them are Hot Wheels, so this is a Matchbox Hot Wheels collaboration, so to speak. This is the second video of this series, and we're going to get started by highlighting the wheel loader, a mainline of 1998. That's from the lineup of 1998, and we will be getting that blister pack open. We're going to pull out that Hot Wheel here in a minute. We also have the Cat dump truck. This is from the 1986 Workhorse series, and that's this one here in yellow. We also have the American Tipper, which is part of the 1976 Flying Colors series, and that's this one on this side. Of course, this is a red line. Two more red lines. Next one is the Scooper, and the Scooper was part of the Heavyweight series. This particular one of the 1971 lineup. And last but not least, it is the cement mixer, which is part of also the Heavyweight series, but this is a 1970 lineup model. All right, now let's get this one open. Get this one out of the container and out of the blister. Alright, put this one back here. Whoopsies, there we go. And there you have it. Orange and black. Alright, and we got ourselves some construction site vehicles ready to go. Alright, so we're going to do a 360 here. While we do that, I'll highlight the fact that this product, again, Matchbox did a pretty good job. It's quite well designed. The instructions are super valid. Everything is just so simple. It might take 5 to 8 minutes if you're really focusing on it. We tend to assemble these in front of the TV, so sometimes it takes a few more minutes. Perhaps the hardest part is doing some of these stickers. You'll see some of the stickers throughout the set. Those can take a little bit of time, particularly if you want the stickers to be nice and lined up. All right, so that was the front of it. Moving to the side here. We do have the move the rock and block the road action. We also have, if we keep moving this way, this gadget, which we're going to be moving when we start the play, but this moves, the crane will lift up, will come down, and it can also rotate, and this lift can end up in the front of the playset. Here to the side, we also have a couple stickers here. At least we have one here, one over here, and then we have this stop sign. It's basically controlling traffic. So it moves one way and the other to control some of the traffic. So let's get some Hot Wheels on here and play with the set. All right. So a lot of moving parts here, and we got all the vehicles nice and set up. To go over the vehicles again, we have the wheel loader, we have the cat dump truck, we have the American Tipper, We also have the scooper, and last but not least, the cement mixer. So let's get started with the action, and this is going to be the scooper coming onto the platform. And our crane operator is going to go ahead and lift the scooper, making sure that it clicks into place. Safety first around here, safety first. Now we're going to start rotating to the left. Yes, and we had the wheel loader who got a little bit out of the way, might have been a little scared of the crane operator. We don't know the history of the crane operator. Hopefully he is safe. And the lift is has landed there. Good to go. This fella right here is now gonna go up. Yes sirree, the cat dump is now at the top. The scooper is gonna come out of the platform. And to ensure safety, this little fella right here that you can barely see is going to come up and do its job to ensure safety continues as other vehicles get transported. And we also have the wheel loader who's coming on the side over here and helping move this rock out of the way. And there goes the wheel. Yes, it did it. Pushed through, did his job. That rock is now out of the way. At the same time, it kind of sort of feels like it's in the way. Crane operator's lifting the crane, making sure it's securely in place. The platform's coming. The cat dump moves out of the way. All right, crane operator carefully puts it down, and now the cat dump actually goes through the little bridge and pushes the rock out of the way to allow itself to exit the construction site. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it for the construction site. This is by Matchbox, the Action Drivers series, and the second in our playlist of action drivers. And once again, we would like to thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the discussion and play. Today, we enjoyed demonstrating the Matchbox Action Drivers construction site. Goodbye. Adios.